great stuff in this playground right outside. And here, this special seesaw is equipped with 3 sliding weights. So you can experiment with balance, so an abacus. So while you're getting some exercise and doing stuff, you're learning some principles, and then they tell you how they make that. There you go. See how high you can get. Yeah. Good job. Good job. Here's a zip line. And it teaches you stuff. While you're doing, it tells you about the air resistance, force pushing at you as you move. Kids are just having fun and learning with it. Here's some swings, and you just think, okay, ordinary swings, but it tells you swings are pendulums. They hang from a fixed point. So kids are playing, but they're learning a lot. Here you can see, it looks like you just pull on some ropes, but you're lifting all, get your friends up there and you can lift some of these bowling balls. There we go. That's one way to do it. Can you pull them down from there? Get your friends, see if you can pull them up. There we go, they're pulling, they're up a little. Yeah, they're getting there, they're getting there. All right. There we go. Good job. Yeah. Way to go. And all parts of this playground has very cool stuff. Gotta have a hoops for it. And look at this. How many sides can you count on this climber? How many corners? How many triangles? So once again, you're messing, you're having fun, you're getting exercise, but you're learning science and manufacturing. Here you got teeter-totter with weights. Just incredible.